Hey guys, let me show you how to make something amazing out of cauliflower. This is my quick recipe for the week. Let me show you how to make it and let's get started. Believe it or not, this is a whole head of cauliflower. I gave it a little rinse and I just cut into medium-sized pieces. I lined the pan with parchment and foil paper for easy cleanup. And this is where all the flavor is gonna be. I'm gonna season with this blend of seasoning: paprika, cayenne, dry mint, oregano, onion powder, garlic powder, salt, pepper, and a little bit of cumin. I always leave all the amounts and all the ingredients in the description box below, so check it out. After I season lightly, I'm gonna add 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Give it a very good mix. You're gonna place in the oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit until golden, crispy on the outside, soft on the inside. This is how they're gonna look like. They're amazingly addictive. You can enjoy them the way they are. We're gonna go a step further and make hummus out of this cauliflower goodness. Let them cool down a little bit. Then place in the food processor. You're gonna add 2 tablespoons of tahini, sesame tahini, 3 tablespoons of lemon juice. You don't need to season at this point. You can thin it out with 1 to 2 tablespoons of water. It's totally up to you. Puree the mixture until very smooth. You can taste if it needs more lemon juice, or you can add a teaspoon of pomegranate molasses. It's gonna give it a good flavor as well. And I didn't need to add any salt because the cauliflower is well seasoned. If you like my recipes and want to see more, don't forget to subscribe. Follow me on social media. The links are gonna be in the description box below. Simply garnish with some pomegranates, fresh parsley, and olive oil, and use as a dip with pita crackers or hot pita bread, or maybe some focaccia. This is your vegan recipe for the week. I hope you like it. Give it a try. Let me know what you think in the comments box below. And until next time, bon appétit!